Hey guys, I hate shooting videos in portrait mode like this instead of landscape, but for a calculator I think that might be more appropriate. So this video is about how to input matrices into the calculator. The calculator can do all the work for you, and since you'll have them, that's when you want to use them. Although adding and subtracting, scalar multiplication are pretty simple, and I kind of recommend you do those without the calculator. Sometimes we can get really big matrices that'll be really tough to do that with. So first start the calculator up, go to second matrix. Second matrix. I'm not sure I did the first time. Right now I have none in here. The names, these are all the matrices I can use. And you would go over to edit to go ahead and put in some matrices. So let's do that. Let's say I got this problem that I used in another video right here. Alright, so let's say we're going to do this problem right here. Yeah, let's just do this one. Scalar multiplication. So I need to put this matrix in, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's going to be scalar multiplication 7 times this matrix. So go over to edit, hit enter. First you have to know the dimensions. So this is a 2 by 2, and it'll set that up for you. And then just fill it in, and you can hit 1, enter, 2, enter, 3, enter, 4, enter. Or you can use the arrows to go back and forth, but it's easier just to hit the push enter. Now hit, this is important, as people get lost, hit second quit, or second mode, that button right there, and it takes you back to the main screen. Now you can go back to the matrix menu and see, now I've got a matrix saved in there. Now if I hit enter now, there it is, I can use it. If I hit enter, that's matrix A. But that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to do 7 times that. So put a 7 in, and now I go back to the matrix menu and call up that matrix. 7, 14, 21, 28. Same answer we got from the other video. Yep. And there we go. So now I could use this, in more ways. So I could do like 8. Go back to matrix. 8 times that one plus that same matrix again. Right. So I can do a little more complex things now, or a little more complicated problems. And this will work the same way for multiplying. You can now multiply matrices. So let's try that out real quick. I'm going to put another matrix in here. I'm not going to use A again. I'm going to use B now. B is blank. So I'm going to put a 2 by 2 in here, and let's just make up some random 4, 5, 6, 7. Quit. Go back out to the main page here. And now I can multiply these matrices. So I've got to call up each one of them. And notice I stay in names. When I'm calling them one up, I don't need to go to edit. So enter, there's A, times, go call up the matrix B now. A times B, there you go. Okay, and just like before, I can start putting in scalar multiplying in that. Right, times 6, matrix B. Yeah. So this is a good way to check your answers, but also just a way to save time as well. And the only problem is that you cannot put variables in for these. So if you have a problem with variables in your matrix, you're going to have to do those by hand.